Welcome back to another YouTube video, gang. We have some NGL messages that we're gonna answer now. My followers sent this to me. The first one is, I want you to make a video of one of your biggest subscribers. I could do that. I could do that. That's quite a nice recommendation. I could do that. You were that one person everyone felt safe around without even realizing it. Like you never made anyone feel weird for being themselves, and that's rare looking back. Okay, I don't know what to say about that. Prank for diomedevaatspray. Dat is een plan. Dat is een plan. Kan zo een video maken. Kan zo een prank video maken. Oei. Ons kan zo een prank video op jou maken. Kan we dan die naam bij je later weten. Wie is het? But we can do that. We can do that. There's something about the way you look at people when you listen. Like you actually care, and that's way too rare. Damn. Okay. Why are you so picky with dating? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Why am I so picky with dating? Meen je nou, ik wil in met daten of ik is ik wil net zeker mensen daten, ik is picky. Maar ik zal helemaal net in met daten of wat bedoel je? Ik weet niet. Maar als je nou daar bedoelt is, je kan niet net, als je nou bedoelt met why are you so picky with dating? Als je nou bedoelt met hoekom wil ik net zeker mensen daten? Hij is actually verstaanbaar, man. I really wanna know who do you shop yourself with. And like for wie crash ik? And basically no one. Describe your crash. Okay. Kom ik describe. Beetje lang. Blauwe ogen, groene ogen. Lange haren. Smile. And older than me. Enige iemand wat je op jouw butterflies geeft. Oké, ik verstaan die vraag. Enige iemand wat je zeker op jouw maag butterflies geeft. Als hij aan je komt. In the first place, what the hell is butterflies? What do you mean by butterflies? The hell? Nobody even gives me, nobody gives me nothing. You talk about butterflies. But yeah, I understand your question. And jokes aside, I understand your question. Nobody gives me butterflies. Or nobody gives me that feeling. I'm just free roam through everyone, feeling nothing. Who would you like to feature in one of your videos except Antonio, Shoni, Bukol, and Etroy? Who would you like to feature? I don't have someone particular in my mind, but if you're down for a video, inbox me. I can work something out and make a great video of anyone. It's just on me to decide whether you qualify for my YouTube videos. So just inbox. Which girl on your contact list do you like talking to? By the way, Predator sponsor me. Which girl on your contact list do you like talking to? I don't know if I can say that. If I can say the name. But it's not one girl. On a daily basis, I'm talking to maybe like 3 or 4 girls. Just like normal convos. Nothing like, nothing like crazy or romantic, but it's flirt stuff, plus like family friendly, friend vibes, chill vibes. So if I have to say a name, I can't just say one name. There's the thing, but there is like maybe like one or two I really love them. Which girls in your contact list do you think is funny? Which girls, bro? In the first place, girls are not funny at all. Girls are not, bro. Tu vriend met almal. Ek is vriendelik met almal, ja. Ek het nie nodig om nie vriendelik met almal te wees nie. Ek is vriendelik met almal. As jy wil kak saam met my, ek is vriendelik saam met jou. Ek is maar vriendelik saam met jou. Ek hate op niemand nie. Friendly vibes, chill vibes. Yes. Would you answer all your questions honestly? Yep. I just did that. Watter meisie wil jy meer closer mee draak? Watter meisie wil jy meer closer mee draak? I don't have one in mind. Ek meen, as 'n girl saam my wil closer raak, is ek down met dit. Maar ek gaan nie like vra om closer saam met haar te word of met eerste movements maak om closer saam met meisie kinders te word nie. No. Because hulle gaan nie verkeerde gedagte kry of impression like ook wil ek closer raak het ek feelings wat dit jy weet. So ek gaan eerste moves op daai maak. Are you in a relationship right now? No. No. I'm not in a relationship right now. Oh ja. Daar was dit paar NGL's. Dis die start van klomp video's wat nou next gaan drop. Dis maar net 'n kick-off video. Paar NGL's. So yes. Like, comment, sub up, DFX, each your boy out.